Lon Schaefer with Agriscaping Utopian Harvest. Remember the other day when I showed you how to cut out the hearts of the artichoke flower? Well, today I'm going to show you on Tasty Tuesday what I did with that. So this is the artichoke heart that I cut up and sliced. We're going to put a little bit of olive oil. And remember that company that we liked, which was the Ancient Tree Olive Oil Company? Check that out. We'll put a little olive oil. We'll put a little bit of garlic. Me, I love garlic. You can't get enough of it, okay? Then I put in a little bit of crushed pepper, black, red pepper. Throw it in there. Salt and pepper. So sea salt is one of my favorite. You can just squeeze it in. Toss it. Set your oven to 400 degrees. Pop it in the oven for about an hour. Bring it out, and you got yourself a roasted artichoke pepper that you can use with a quinoa as a base, or pasta, or just a side dish for you to just enjoy. Have fun, and come back again for our next Tasty Tuesday where we do bruschetta. Thank you.